Not by the hair, by chinny chin chin.
Then off. And off. Puff. Right, Puff. And I'll blow your pretzel house right in. Puff. With boysenberry and maple syrup and maybe a little honey. And it was so great. And I still had some pancakes left over. So I sat down to eat my pancakes, nom, and do a crossword puzzle. Oh, you could have blown my house in. Oh. Well, then I guess I'll just eat it around here. No. Why don't you just come in and have some pancakes that aren't my house? Then you won't have to eat my house. You have pancakes? Yeah. Come in and have some. Oh, okay. Well, let's have a party then. Yeah.
Our special guest author, Sarra Roth.
All right, let's read this story. It's called Not the Quitting Kind. Mrs. Goody Two-Two lined each one of us in rows. I was the only girl in class who couldn't balance on her toes. I was dressed like cotton candy and had the clumsiest plie. So I decided dancing silly, especially ballet. Then I heard at lunchtime a friend from down the block say he had karate after school at 3 o'clock. But at 3:03 I realized that I really hate Kung Fu. My uniform was itchy. Show me itchy. Itchy. All the shouting made no sense. I don't see what's so amazing about learning self-defense. Do you think she feels happy or frustrated? Frustrated. As soon as I got home, Mom said, "We have to talk. Zipper up your jacket. We are going for a walk." My mom took off her glasses and looked me in the eye. Let me see you. Look me in the eye. She said, "You can't give up so quickly after just one teensy try." The next day we had art with our teacher, Mrs. Clay. She said that we'd be making a glorious bouquet. I began to paint my flowers, but they came out way too tall. I got so angry I just wanted to crunch my paper in a ball. Before I got to smashing, Mom's voice popped in my head and told me I should give it just one more chance instead. I ran my flowers home. Mommy hung them in a frame. She even liked the tall ones and how no two were the same. I smiled ear to ear and with my newly opened mind decided that I'm never going to be the quitting kind. The end.